Sir nila primary operator dito sa Fisher Mall. Ito ang aming machine na XP600. Ang aming printer head. Ito ang aming capping. Headline. Punasan ng wiper pagtapos mag-headline. Nozzle test. Aming ABR plug, ground wire, at waste tank. Ito ang aming workload. At ito ang aming consumable, white, black, magenta, yellow, cyan. At ito ang aming monitoring. Ang aming daily record. Aming weekly inventory.